When it comes to making tax-efficient withdrawals from your retirement accounts, many people don't realize how much of an impact their strategy can have on their overall wealth. But here's the truth. Getting your withdrawals right can save you thousands of dollars in taxes over time. The key is knowing how to navigate the complex tax rules surrounding IRAs, 401ks, and other retirement accounts. If you're nearing retirement or already there, understanding these strategies is crucial because withdrawing your money in the wrong way could push you into a higher tax bracket or trigger penalties you don't need to pay. And here's a tip. Tax efficiency in your withdrawals can give you more flexibility and preserve your wealth for the long term. So let's dive right in. First off, it's important to know that not all retirement accounts are taxed the same. Traditional IRAs and 401ks are tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes when you contribute, but you will when you withdraw. On the other hand, Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks grow tax-free, and you won't pay taxes when you take out the money. Now, if you're looking to make tax-efficient withdrawals, the first thing to consider is the order in which you access your accounts. A common strategy is to start by tapping into taxable accounts first, like brokerage accounts, while leaving tax-deferred accounts like your 401k or traditional IRA to grow. This can allow your tax-deferred funds to continue to grow, and you only pay taxes when you need to. But here's something a lot of people miss. You'll want to delay taking money out of your tax-deferred accounts until absolutely necessary. Why? Because once you start pulling funds from your 401k or traditional IRA, that money is taxed as ordinary income. If you take out too much at once, you could bump yourself into a higher tax bracket. So instead of making large withdrawals, it's best to draw down only what you need to cover your living expenses for that year. Roth IRAs, however, don't have that same tax issue. With Roths, you can take out your contributions at any time without penalty or tax, and your qualified withdrawals are completely tax-free. So, if you've been building up a Roth account, it can be a great place to pull from when you need extra income without increasing your tax burden. A key strategy many people use is something called the bucket strategy. The idea is to have 3 different accounts: a taxable account, a tax-deferred account, and a tax-free account like a Roth. The goal is to withdraw from the taxable account first, then move to the tax-deferred account, and use your Roth only in specific situations, like when you need to minimize taxes during a high-income year. Speaking of high-income years, another strategy you should consider is tax loss harvesting. This involves selling investments in your taxable account that have lost value to offset capital gains. It's a strategy that can help lower your overall tax bill, and it's something many financial advisors recommend if you have investments outside of tax-advantaged accounts. Before we go any further, I want to remind you that if you're serious about protecting your wealth, you should click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth in these uncertain times. And if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 ME plus in savings, this guide could make a huge difference in how you preserve and grow your wealth. Now, let's talk about required minimum distributions, RMDs, for a moment. Once you reach age 73, you're required to begin withdrawing a certain amount from your traditional IRA or 401k. These withdrawals are taxed as income, so it's crucial to plan ahead. If you don't need the income from these withdrawals, you can roll some of your funds into a Roth IRA to minimize future taxes. But here's the thing. A gold IRA could help you avoid some of these tax issues altogether. Gold IRAs are a tax-deferred or tax-free investment option, depending on the type of account, and gold can act as a hedge against inflation. Many retirees use gold IRAs as a way to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth from market volatility. Plus, it can offer long-term growth that's not correlated to the stock market. This could help you preserve your wealth even in retirement while taking advantage of tax efficiencies. If you're looking for the best way to protect your savings, especially if you have significant wealth in your IRA or 401k, consider opening a gold IRA. Click the link in the description to get your free guide and consultation to see why so many Americans are choosing this route to safeguard their wealth. In conclusion, making tax-efficient withdrawals is about more than just how much you take out. It's about being strategic with how and when you take it. Whether you're withdrawing from taxable accounts, tax-deferred accounts, or Roths, it's important to know the tax implications and plan ahead. For many retirees, a gold IRA offers an ideal solution to both tax efficiency and wealth protection. So if you're ready to get more serious about your wealth preservation strategy, don't forget to grab that free guide on gold IRAs. It's perfect for retirees with $100K or more in their retirement accounts, or even those with over $5 in savings. Protecting your wealth starts with the right plan, and with the right strategy in place, you can make tax-efficient withdrawals that will benefit you for years to come.